Hello again. Let's discuss more detail about parallel structure with coordinating conjunctions. In this section, you will see some examples of sentences with coordinating conjunctions. Okay, let's start. Okay, you can see the sentences here. Steve is coming to dinner. His friend is coming to dinner. Which part of these two sentences are similar? Yes, the first one is coming. Both sentences has this part, right? And to dinner. The first and second sentence has the same part, to dinner. So to make it more effective, then we will use the coordinating conjunctions to make a parallel structure, a sentence with parallel structure. Okay, so how should we combine them? Let's start with Steve. And the next part from this sentence is his friend. How should we combine these two? We will use and. Steve and his friend are coming because they are two people, so we will use are coming, not is coming anymore, to dinner. Steve and his friend are coming to dinner. Okay, the next sentence, the next example. Susan raised her hand. On the second sentence, Susan snapped her fingers. Now, which part of this sentences are similar? It's only Susan, so we'll start with Susan. And what did she do? She raised her hands, snapped her fingers. So Susan did two actions here, and we should combine them using and. Susan raised her hands and snapped her fingers. So the parallel parts are the verb here. While for our first example, the parallel parts are the subject or the noun, Steve and his friend. Okay, let's see the next sentence. These shoes are old. These shoes are comfortable. On the previous two sentences, you see similar idea, or you can say it's an additional idea. But here, you can see the contradictive idea. The shoes are old. And here, the shoes are comfortable. Old and comfortable are contradictory. Do you agree with me? Okay, so how should we combine these two sentences? We see the similar part of these two sentences. These shoes are old, are comfortable. So how should we combine them with coordinating conjunctions that we can use? But the shoes are old, but are comfortable. Okay, let's see the next one. Oh, this is longer. Steve is coming to dinner. The second sentence, Joe is coming to dinner. And the third sentence, Alice is coming to dinner. How can we combine these three sentences? Who's coming to dinner? Steve. Joe. Alice. This similar to the example number 1. We use and here. Steve, Joe, and Alice. But because we have 3 names here, then we will use comma. Steve, comma, Joe, comma, and Alice. Are coming because there are 3 people. We will use are to dinner. Okay, let's see another example. He was tired. He went to bed. Which coordinating conjunctions that we can use? Let's see here. He was tired, comma, he went to bed. So, what is the missing part here? Is it and, but, or, so, yet? We will use so. He was tired, so he went to bed. It's these 2 sentences have cause and effect relationship. So we'll use so here. Okay, next one. The child hid behind his mother's skirt. The child was afraid of the dog. Okay, we will see the sentence. The child hid behind his mother's skirt. We can use he to replace the child. He was afraid of the dog. So how should we combine these 2 sentences? They have no similar parts. For child hid behind his mother's skirt, for he was afraid of the dog. Okay, that's the end of my explanations about parallel structure with coordinating conjunctions. Hope you can get the idea, you can understand, and you are clear about it. See you in the next video.